Say hello. 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 Yeah.
You guys are recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so we keep coming then.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, don't play that. How much Jeff you doing? Huh? Don't. Rabbit. Sammy. Samira, say hello now. Hello. Tell them how much Jeff you're doing. What you have in your handy? Give me that. Come. 5.
Give me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So
Well, the last time let's see we do a music video, boy.
Yeah.
Welcome.
So, rainy is raining.
Yeah. Flood all over. What you gonna do? Hey. Huh? He playing music and he's gonna fall again.
Ready, Samira?
Now we here. Sing a song there for we, girl.
There we go. Your favorite song. Go on. What you say? Sing again. Go on. Tu muscular. What's wrong with that?
She said, "Kuch hota hai."
Oh. Wait, there's. It's tum passe hai. Tum passe.
What you doing? Porque vai do mischievous.
मुस्कुराए गुनाया तुमने न जाने क्या सपने देखा Are you ready?
Right now, girl, sing that.
तुम पास आए यूं
Why is it so quiet? Pookie, sing a song. Pookie, sing a song there for me. What song is that?
So long me and play this, eh? Where's Samira? What? Say anything good now, yeah? So long me and play, but you come to play. Hey, leave him. When you get opportunity to learn, you never want to learn, eh?
Yeah.
Now let's try that. Sing it again. Oh, how's that again? How many chords? Hey, stop doing that way, madam. Piano. We'll go tour there. Some of the kids don't play now.
They're playing. Watch.
How you was as well?
Which one is that way?
Oh, you want to hold to? Hold to, hold.
It's Hoto se chulo.
Hold,
I think that's it. Mira kita hamada kardo. Hello. Hello. You're supposed to say hello over there in the camera, not behind. What are you doing here by me?
Want to sing it again?
Mira kita hamada kardo. Hey! Quiet!
Can I get any lyrics to that?
I ain't really know the lyrics for that song, I just know the first part, you know, say.
Mama.
Eh?
Mommy, Mama.
No, you can't come up here. Go and say hello.
Okay.
So that song is
Ta-da!
Bye bye.
Hey, let's stop
Bye.
fighting. That's not exactly how cool, eh?
Watch your belly. Tell me again. Get out from here. Tell me again. A little fatty.
Again, the lyrics.
Last time all I see she was nice and small. What do you say that she know? Like a hippo.
You go like,
Hippo.
oh,
Hippo. Where you going? Where the boy? You shake my hand now. Sammy, no. Sammy. You're shaking the camera. Good luck.
Hey.
I know what they say about this monkey children, Hannah.
Don't kick. You don't like somebody kick you?
What's the next one? Hey, where you going, girl? Hey, let's behave. Stop fighting.
Mommy.
Yes, Pookie, you want to come? Want to sing a song? Sing a song. What song you going to sing?
Happy birthday to Mommy.
Pookie singing, not you. What song you want to sing? Sing a song.
I can't remember them things, huh?
Mommy.
Happy birthday to mommy.
Huh?
Happy birthday to Mommy.
Happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday to Dad.
Happy birthday to Pookie.
Happy birthday to Hello.
Sing. Happy birthday to Pookie.
Happy birthday, Madam. Mama.
Yeah?
Madam.
You done sing?
Happy birthday to Mama.
Let me know, sing it, yes? I ain't singing one ass.
Pookie singing. She's singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy.
And I tell you, don't kick.
Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to Mama.
What you singing?
She's singing happy birthday to mama. Happy birthday
Go ahead, sing it.
to... Go ahead, sing. Sing it. Happy birthday to Daddy.
So you have to fix your clothes, man?
Daddy. Happy birthday to Hi, Mommy.
Man, go sound quiet, please.
And then I'm going to fix the back of your clothes.
Dancing?
Are we the machine?
Sit down quiet for me. Yeah. I feel sorry for he, eh? He always doing something mischievous. But again, he going back to mischief. And now cracking my action, he going back to mischief. Well, since nobody want to sing hit to your old a story,
Mama.
If you want that, let me hear.
with that story,
Yeah.
what's up for that? Yeah, you wanna come? Come with. Yes, sing a song, yeah.
Oh, they're boring, but.
Alright, well, let me see wait how. What we can talk about? Where is the bacchanal?
No back. If you are real bacchanal, we share.
Yeah.
I'm a good song.
Where's your song?
It's already said.
What?
So much of days gone by, we know, and that real market stories and in the share, you know, plenty
Yeah,
bacchanal.
plenty bacchanal.
You guys want to say everything. Everything.
Hey, that one. They are walking to the market and selling a boy. And a fella get licked down with a piece of wood because he's questioning of Tanti Zabuka. So he put up a sign, don't squeeze his Zabuka. And they question and touching and thing and fighting she for his Zabuka. And they get vexed and crack him a piece of wood, you know.
I'm a good song.
Huh? No, that's all you say, girl.
Now, nice story.
That was all his story. Hey! What going on there now? Sammy, come now. Stop biting me.
I know.
You done sing?
One.
I thought you
Yeah,
were
yeah.
singing. Now, girl.
I love you, Mom. You my friend. Best friend
Shut up.
Every time you say.
Oh, God.
Every time I sing. Every time I by my mind.
Sing it back again, will you?
I love you, Mommy. You my friend, Mommy. Best friends forever. I love you so much. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, mommy. You is my best friend. Imagine slow one every day she's singing that here. When you see she. When you see she, come on, you want to sing. Go there. I love you, mommy.
Oh, God.
Daddy.
Okay, with that next one. Sing it, Pookie. Sing the next song.
Tommy, you sing it.
Sing Daddy Do.
Daddy do.
Daddy Do. You ain't singing
No,
again?
next song she was singing harmony, Happy birthday to Blackie. Cookie sing it, let me hear. Happy birthday to Blackie.
Daddy sing.
Sing it all, let me hear. Happy birthday to Blackie.
Baby.
Happy
Tommy, you sing song. Daddy up. Tommy, sing it. I love you, Mom.
Baby.
You
Mommy.
Sing that song over here.
Mommy.
Sing it ABC. ABC.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Baby.
Yeah.
Where
Okay.
are you?
Yeah. Sing that song.
Mama.
I love
Yeah.
Blackie.
Daddy.
Mama. Where are you?
Don't touch.
Yes, noise. Happy birthday to Blackie. Happy birthday to Blackie. So, Larry, so, a little savvy, a little black that boy. Well, he dark that. So, when he goes to call savvy, I said, Blackie, come boy. Cookie, any call anyone, Blackie. We go outside and say, happy birthday to Blackie. Happy birthday to Blackie. Happy birthday to Blackie. Happy birthday to Blackie. So there was Pookie, though. Pookie, I just call him man Blackie once, though.
Where that boy?
Pookie started calling him man Blackie every day, though. Blackie. Yeah, boy, that's wrong with the leg, though.
Tommy, what you doing now, boy? Yeah. I can only do in mischief, eh? Stop that.
Best friends forever.
Hey, be a boy.
I love you
Sammy.
so much.
I love you, Blackie. Happy birthday to Blackie.
Mommy.
Stop
Okay,
it.
second.
Stop it.
Okay, I'm going
Stop it. Give me that. Give me it. Don't do that thing.
Hey, behave yourself, boy.
Every day.
Spell that. Not a lick, you call it. Stop. Stop. Mischievous? You did Pookie and Sammy, who get more mischievous?
Ah,
What's that?
Pookie boy.
So, let me tell you when we come back on YouTube now. Stay quiet now, dear. So, I know we wasn't on YouTube for a little while. So, we take a little disappearance, let's call it now. But it so happened, plenty people.
Tommy, you're shaking, my boy.
Hey, be a boy. Hey, what you belt? So, plenty people message me, private message me and ask you about, plenty home invasion going through now. So, plenty people went through that kind of drama and they see what I'm doing now. And they message me and they tell me how when they went through all our home invasion and they watch my videos and they. And my videos are no, all I know my videos are no partying and liming and my video is just humble, normal, little, quiet little thing now. So plenty people has enjoyed that, so we decided to come back. Now all I know YouTube don't we don't make no money on YouTube and thing. So we will just be doing this part-time and yeah.
Yeah,
When
my
we
boy.
get a little time and thing.
Stop it.
Take it away.
What song is it?
No mischief.
Stop! Stop!
Stop it! Okay, all this stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. And Cookie,
So,
don't touch me.
that's why we come back, eh?
Gosh, boy. You do that now.
So we go try to do plenty videos now.
Yeah?
And if you want to sponsor something like how to cook and thing, well, we taking that, right? Cooking only, just if all of us something cooking, all want to sponsor, we cooking and we going back on that. What do you think?
Yeah?
Right? So as we homeless
Back to the
thing,
cooking, man.
yeah, as we homeless thing, we just still do it, but we don't record it anymore and put it up.
Yeah.
Only if somebody sponsor, then we go record and put it up, right? But other than that, most of the time we just buy like doubles and pie and what is the next thing we buy? Bread and chana.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't cook nothing and then we just buy and give out.
Buy and donate out.
Yeah, right? So
Remember to tell you what putting things inside your mouth?
right, so we back for the time being. We hope all enjoy, We show and like we show. Leave a comment, what do you think?
Yeah?
And let me see what comments you get. Let me see what people enjoy we show.
Yeah.
And we'll get back to the bacchanal. Now, I know we was out of YouTube for about 5-6 months.
Yeah, about 5-6 months.
So, you know, real bacchanal happen. And we have real stories to give out here.
All kind of things.
All kind of thing we have that went through. Real bacchanal. All kind of bacchanal man get licked from the wife. Outside man. Real thing happen. Within that period, that time, right? So, if all like me, all know, all enjoy the show. And all will be back full time, like 3 video a week, 4 video a week, let me know. And we go see what we can do, right? And if all want to sponsor something, and if all want to, if you don't have to, if you want to sponsor something for we to cook and thing in the kitchen and thing, all you know what to do, right? Call me up and we will sponsor and we will cook and do some videos and double hopping back and roti hopping and all them things, right? But if all you want that, let me know. Leave it in the comments, right? So what do you think? We gonna rack it up the end?
Yeah.
Because we going, come from market, we gonna bid and hit we bid.
Yeah.
The rainfall and flood all over.
Yeah.
And market price, things going real raise. So let's brace ourselves for that.
Yep.
Right? We telling them that one time. Brace yourself. Make sure, find your out. Make sure I'm going to look for the outside man and get money from me and get mad money from your husband. Because I think you might need it when you hear them prices and them so. You'll get a heart attack, all your back, your belly and your foot goes on out here. Cabbage and they go up real high, all 18, 17 and pound. Pepper going to go up like about 500-600 bag, real thing. Only if it have plenty of them, but we know price already raised, so them 2 days already by $100, $150. Hey! So, all you, we telling all your fan. So leave a comment if all you like me. We'll get
Hey! Who hit him there?
he was kicking she and she cracky some hard. He hit the she first, so he cracking. I know she's the baddest.
Yes.
Pookie, leave it! When you cracky, I will crack you, eh? There's not this cool, you will get a bush.
Okay, getting bad enough.
So she watching your one eye.
Yeah. Nah, she don't mischief, she just bad. The mischief one is Sam.
Happy birthday to Blackie. She's a bad moody right now.
Yeah, he vex she. She brought her vex she.
Right, so, all I know we back on, we track and so on and so on. We really fumbling ourselves on the YouTube and it. We need to know
Let me sit down quiet for me.
fighting more than all them.
Sit down quiet for me.
So we out. We gonna like the content and they all want to enjoy back to the content. Like we used to cook and do tops. Yeah, my tops. Like videos where we hopping and all them things and going all over the place and back and all. Well, we are real story to show with all that. Boy, we are real thing, right?
Yeah.
So you know we will share it with all them, real back and all and thing. And as the people who went through the home invasion like we and thing, I will bring back, we will bring out more stories and tell all what this be like and because real people, how many people message me on that? About 5 people.
20 people.
5 or more than that. Huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. 6 now, maybe 6.
Let's see what go.
Yeah. Okay, very damn job. So we go tell her how it does be like, how it does move like. No, when it happened to we, remember when it happened to we, it wasn't happening to nobody. Now it's happening to everybody.
Yep.
I want to go through that, I'll let you know how it does be, yeah?
Yep.
That's it. Watch out.
Watch
it.
it.
What's up for my boy? No. Very fake, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bad.
Boy.
Yeah, so you look like people going through that, you know, right?
Yep.
We had a few market vendors and things that went through robbery and things in the market and things. right? We're not really in the market, but who buy them and thing. So we will share some of them story with Ollie. They share this story with me, and they ask me if we want to share it too, we can share it with Ollie, right? But we're not calling a name, we're not saying nothing, but we're just telling you how them feel when that happened. Them, well, the thing about it, them wasn't like we. Them then lost a big amount like how we lost everything. You know? But them, some of them ship away. Well, I mean ship away.
Hey, what my chef are doing now?
Some of them going away, they close down the business. Real thing going on now. So, if all they want to hear more and all they want to enjoy the show, all they know what to do, leave it in the comments, let me know. If all they enjoy the show and then don't be ashamed.
Yeah.
And we will try to see if we can do about 2-3 videos for the weekend. What do you think, Lee?
Yeah?
Ready to ride out?
Yeah.
Sing a song,
Sing a
maybe.
song.
I love you,
Gosh, girl.
Mom.
Sing one, Ishan. Let me end the one time. I eat the rice dalam
Rice dalam baju is all I does eat.
Alright, you're kidding
And
me.
the first thing I
I say rice dalam baju, come and follow me.
No, you say rice dalam baju. I say rice dalam baju is all I does eat.
Right down.
Let's see him. Just shut up, eh?
Right down. Curry chicken. That's all I eat.
Go ahead, yeah.
Rice dalam curry chicken is all I does eat.
I read the
Should we ask it first?
rice dalam curry chicken. I can't, may I feel the plane of thing and thing. If you're tired. Say, you know what,
I love you,
you know how we did disappear from YouTube, right? But you know, when I check the subscribers, right? You know, actually, no subscribers did leave. Maybe 1 or 2, right? Maybe 1 or 2. But you know, the last 2 videos that we come out back with now, you know, you see back a lot of people come back into the channel. Into the channel like disappear now.
Yeah.
But you know, we was working on things. And let me tell you something one time. The reason why we cannot disappear from YouTube because this was kind of wasting me time. Because to send this fat cow here to school, very expensive. So we couldn't really sit down and waste my time on YouTube, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you know,
Okay,
now people
no,
bash me,
nothing.
or we say, oh, let's sponsor something on the show. But we don't ask you for nothing, eh? We ask you to sponsor something. You understand? So he said we have to take we money and buy it. You just sponsor it for me.
Oh, God, yeah.
You understand?
Pookie.
Look at mess. Oh, keep miserable. Yeah.
You have to add now. If the boy ain't doing mischief, the girl doing mischief. If the girl ain't doing mischief, the boy doing mischief.
So we're gonna see all every videos. We want to let it waiting. Let it leave a comment and let me see if they will be back.
Yeah?
And we go start back with stories, start back with cooking, start back with bacchanal. Apologize for the house, it's right now in a horrible condition, but
Yep.
we can't do better at the moment in time,
That's
right?
all we could do for now.
For now, because we still kind of clean out a few bills from. Let me tell you the truth and one time and done, right? All I know we was in our home invasion. We take loan, let me clear it up. We did take loan to build we shop, right? So we went and take loan to build we shop. We went and take our loan to buy a van because the shop needed a van, right? So we take money, we build the shop, we take the van on loan. About 6 months after, we asked get robbed, right? So the robbery is 3 times, right?
Yep.
3 times we get robbed. So we get robbed 3 times, we lost everything. Now the bank and the money we take to build the building, that was the shop. The bank ain't want to hear nothing about that. You still have to continue pay. Right? Remember a whole year, we didn't have nothing. We was a kind of, how do you call it, a kind of, whoever went through, you know, the kind of mood they in, right?
Quiet.
Stay quiet, you know. Right? So that is what happened to me. So we start back up to pay the loan. But remember, interest gala. So we start paying the loan and we have 2 loans to pay. Which is the van loan and the personal loan we take to build the shop. So we continue paying it. Now remember this one, don't go government school because she have a fear. Now the police and then we went through all them things with the police and what they call it, we just send she was a psychologist or whatever. Yeah, all of them things we deal with and all them things, right? But she went back into school when last year.
Yeah.
And the school tell she still ain't ready yet. So they tell me what is it, the counselor, the ministry counselor, eh?
I think so.
The ministry people now.
I forget the name.
Yeah, they tell me how to send she to the private school until she get affiliated with it. When she ready, she will let we know, and then from there. So we had to continue this until she ready. The fear kind of go in, but it's still there. So we had to deal with that. That's why we ain't do no work in the house as yet. And the house on our landscape, so you know everything cracking up and going through. As I can see in previous videos. So we just breaking up fast as what bad for the time being. Right? So that is why we ain't you see the place in a mess and it. Because we ain't offered nothing as yet to fix the place as but we will get there. It's just a matter of time because we're trying to clear out the loan. Once the loan clear out, we good to go from there. You understand what we're saying? But we almost there. Just about a year again?
Yeah, what are you?
Average a year again. Can be less. Right? But we did. So we holding on, we pay these people and them their money. When you see a owing loan, now people taking car and house, now people house flood out, they lost everything. So it's a whole process. Everybody just deal with it, right? So we have a couple months again to go, about less than a year. I'll check it back and make sure. We have less than a year. When we done that and we clear out them, then we go start to organize and buy back vinyl and start back. We ain't building no concrete again because concrete real breaking. So we can't go through back that drama again. So we go mostly buy ply and then and fill up a nice little ply or something. But for now, excuse the place. Don't jump out yourself and say nothing because we can do better at the moment in time. Right? Just at the moment in time from now, we get in there. We have other alternative we planning to do and all them things and we go deal with that. But for now, don't come and hit we hard it. You know somebody like to jump out of yourself, don't jump out of yourself. Relax on yourself, right? We trying and plenty home invasion stories and then we want to share with all the waiting thing. You ready there?
Yeah.
So have a little patient with me, excuse the place and thing for now. Right? We getting there but we go reach there. Right now we working on things and waiting.
Yeah.
We already buy vinyl for here, just for this fat one here. To change over and we have some shells and thing to pop and you know to fix up now.
Fix up our
So
own
hopefully this week here, as the rain falling, we will go to work tomorrow waiting.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow they say that real rain. So
Yeah.
if anything tomorrow we go take out all this old vinyl and thing and we go put in a new one.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? When she done school and them, we
Yeah.
can fix up the room, this room here.
Yeah.
Right? Because we buy a roll of vinyl to fix up the place. Right? So we get in there. But for now, relax yourself a little alone. we almost get it done pay out them loan and when we done, thank God.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We take them loan in 2021, right?
Yeah, 2021.
Right. So and we know it's 2021.
No.
2020 we
that
get around in
before.
2021.
Yeah.
Right. So we have it for 5 years to pay out.
Yeah.
So what year we in? 25.
2025.
Like 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Where we have 1 year again to go.
Yep.
So when we done that 1 year, oh God, I'm sure you can't wait to done.
Yeah, I can't wait.
When you see that done, we done. That is the idea. Life could go back to how it was, right?
Yeah.
Not being stingy. Because these interest rate, it's like, alright, plenty people just take a loan and have loans and house loan and all them things, they know what it be. It has some days it just have to be real cheap. You can't go and buy anything you want. You might see something you want, but then you go say, nah. If I go and take that money and buy it and you see the loan rich and you can't pay your loan, it's a problem. So I show plenty of you like we. You understand? Just want to clear out that and not only again. The ring the ears, the ring the 10 toes and the 10 fingers. Not them again. You understand? So you know what it is. So if you enjoy the show and you know we back and you enjoy the show and let me know now. And let me start back pumping up the shows. About 3 shows for the week we could do. What do you think?
Yeah.
Right? So if you want to be back and all of them 3 shows for the week, leave a comment and let me know. And let me know if you guys enjoy the comment. The content, or let me know if you don't like the content. Now, if you don't like the content and we see your name, and we know you don't like the content, and next time your content, you decide to comment on the content, I go blast you. Right? So, if you don't like it, but you just unsubscribe and go your way. You understand? And who like it, or subscribe, what we do, we go kick back up the game. What do you think?
Yeah.
Be better.
Yeah, right? So let me rock it up there, because that ring gonna come there.
Yeah.
And that water outside it ain't too warm now, boy.
Yeah.
So time to go and bathe and
No, what that cool.
hit your head,
Yeah.
and what?
Trees like with David, shine, pink, and sand.
So we go eat this with bread and cheese.
Yeah.
Bread, cheese, and butter?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something like good food.
Yeah, I good
And a
food.
hot cup of Milo.
Hot cup of tea, yeah.
Yeah.
In this cool weather, yeah. Hot cup of tea.
Oh, we are one person to pick up.
Cool.
So we have we have plenty subscribers, right? And let me do this one time and get it up. We have plenty subscribers. For the past couple months, plenty of them stop messaging we and thing. Right? I don't know what is the cause, maybe they have their own problems or whatever it is, right? But we have one subscriber since the day we started YouTube. Trini Lyman with David. Right? And that subscriber has been there with me. How long we had this channel now? What? 2 years?
2 years.
3 years?
Yeah, almost 3 years now.
Nah.
How before 5 years?
Nah,
3 years.
3 years now.
Yeah, 3
And
years.
she always there with me. You know what I'm talking about?
What's that way?
Who always there with me?
Me,
Every day messaging you.
Kitty.
Yeah. So make a big welcome. Thank you to
Eh, eh.
them now.
Kitty. Thank you to Kitty.
Yeah, they would be always they
Always
calling,
watching.
messaging.
Yeah.
But we wasn't messaging. You was messaging, huh?
She always messaging me.
So big up to Kitty.
She always messaging. She always calling to see how you're going.
She husband.
Yeah.
She children. Everybody else big up to all the
Everybody.
subscribers.
Big up to everybody.
But she's the one that stick with me
Yeah.
and still there with me. And when was the
Yeah.
last message come to you from she?
About a few days ago.
Right. So you
A few
see?
days ago.
So big up to she. She did with me long time.
Yeah.
Always messaging, always calling, always
Always want to know how you're going. Always,
sending me things for them to help
Yeah.
you out.
yeah.
So you know, and for we. So
Always
thank you.
calling to talk to them children to see how they're going and things.
Thank you very, very much. You know, we don't message all the time. I mean, because you know, I was sleeping.
Yeah. Always doing something.
What's your When you say come, I just can't wake, but my eyes going to sleep, but I just can't wake. People go call me and I be like, nah, boy, nah.
Yeah.
Can't make it, I can't make it. So big up to Kitty, she husband, the children, the family, who
Yeah.
supported me and they would be since Samira, you know, and always helping Samira.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Everybody else too who sponsored in the past.
Yeah. Everybody
And
to
who was there with me,
everybody.
who stopped
Yeah.
messaging too. Me know all the stop messaging, maybe we don't reply enough fast enough for you, but trust me, it doesn't be like that. Eh? When we come from work, all our we is just knock out. Sometimes we come up and them sleeping coming up the road.
Yeah.
You understand? Them sleeping coming up the road. So when we reach home now and I go on to sleep and them knock out, everybody knock out.
Yeah.
So just because we don't message you all the time and expect we to every time you message, we apologize, but don't blame me for being tired.
Yeah.
You understand? We apologize for that, but we tired. What you want me to do? We have to work. If you don't work now, you go see the certain bank calling in your phone, hey, where's my money? Brother man, get my money. You understand? So again, big up to Kitty and family. Thank you. We don't want to call her name, but Kitty, we go deal with, she knows she name.
She knows your name, yeah.
Thank you very much for everything. You know, I don't talk to you much because I just never be around. But thanks, Spooky, Sammy, Samira.
Everybody say thank you.
Always like everything you send for them.
Yeah.
Especially this fat one.
That fatty.
Always eat it.
She always eat it. See, you bring it in to fatten she up.
Yeah. So thanks again. Thanks everybody in the past who helped me too. For all the donation, for all the homeless. I think I wasn't too well for the past couple of months as well. But we getting there. Right? But we didn't say nothing. We just take content.
Yeah.
Right. So we back out. Hopefully.
Hey, don't do that.
Leave a message and let me write down the ident.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, before that water get cool.
No. Trini Lyman with Pookie, Cheyenne, David and Sammy. Forget you.
What the
No, we take out Pinky. We no longer have Pinky in the show. Let me know nobody don't like Pinky, eh? Not Pookie. No. Nobody don't like you. Since Pookie come now, we stop like you. Look Pookie.
Come on. Pookie!
And Pookie?
Pookie!
So, yeah, we're going to change the show name now, right? Trini Lyman with David, Cheyenne. No! Pookie. We taking out she. She won't get to what.
I mean, behave yourself. Pookie, say hello.
We take all the
Dave
P.
Nah.
And before it was a big Trini line with David, Cheyenne, Pinky, and Sammy, right?
Yeah.
So now we take out Pinky and we put Pookie. So Pookie named Sammy P. So we get rid of you. We get rid of you. Bye bye. So, new writing now, Trini line with